How to turn off contacts on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can turn off contacts on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off contacts on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna be able to see this type of interface where what you basically need to do is tap the profile icon from here and then tap the three lines option there, and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, in the search box over here you simply want to type in something similar to contacts. So let me just go ahead and then type in contacts here, and then here you can see contact syncing, so make sure to tap on it. So currently you can see it is enabled. So if I want to turn off contact syncing on Instagram, I just want to turn off this toggle, tap on disconnect, and then Instagram will stop using your contacts to suggest friends to you. This way you'll be able to turn off contacts on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.